This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Miriam Hurtado. Creeks of Citrus Park presents this beautiful townhome located in the heart of the community. This house is only 6 years old, modern, immaculate. The townhome features over 1,900 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a laundry room, lanai, tons of storage space, and a full 2-car garage. You walk into your townhouse with porcelain tile throughout the lower floor, and laminate flooring from the stairs and the entire second floor, with high ceilings, open concept, breakfast bar, and a kitchen nook to make this home perfect for entertaining. On the ground floor, your guests can enjoy the terrace, the backyard and a powder room on the first floor. Upstairs are all the bedrooms and the laundry room to facilitate housework. The master bedroom is a complete and spacious suite. It comes equipped with an oversized master closet and a 3-piece bathroom. The 2 additional bedrooms are perfect for the little ones or an office. Throughout the home, storage and convenience are not lost. All 3 bedrooms have walk-in closets, multiple linen closets throughout, a large storage closet and kitchen pantry. Close to the Veterans Expressway, SR 589, 15 minutes from Tampa International Airport, 30 minutes from the best beaches in Florida, close to Citrus Park Mall, and International Mall, restaurants and in the middle of all the local communities, in an exclusive community move-in today. Come tour your new home today. For more information, review the details below or contact Miriam Hurtado at 619-886-1636.